MVB Life and Style Backpack. MVB Life and Style Backpack is a minimalist premium grade everyday backpack and tote bag. Whether it is with formal or casual clothes, it shows your personal charm and unique style. It is a school backpack, a laptop backpack, a traveler backpack. All weather waterproof, sandproof, and mudproof make it also a good companion for outdoor and water sports. There are many unique features that are unmatchable by any other everyday backpacks in the market. To be exact, this is a backpack with long lasting style and may also save a life someday. The simplicity of minimalist design, long lasting iconic style, uncompromised functionality, superior security features, and multi purpose practicality. For materials to machines to workers, they are all top notch. Thanks to the advanced high frequency welding machines, which fused each panel to make the backpack completely waterproof and high durability. The MVB backpack's patented design provides a great solution. The dual level zipper system, where the outer layer zipper is super smooth, so that open and close the backpack is super easy for frequent zip and unzip. The inner zipper is airtight waterproof. Even the strongest rainfall won't get in. The inner zipper has also a giant carabiner attached so that it's easy to be located and effortless to zip. The MVP backpack's minimalist design makes it a perfect fit for anyone, anywhere, anytime, and anything. It's an elegant and professional backpack for work days or business meetings. It is as practical as a back to school backpack. It includes a padded laptop pouch to make it a great laptop backpack. It feels sporty and active when bringing it together with you for any sports. It's also the best companion for water sports. It feels smart and casual wear too. The best part is that gives you the bonus security and protection no matter in the air anti-theft, on the ground bulletproof, and at the water waterproof and floating. There are many waterproof backpacks out there, but none of them are as worthy as the MVB backpack. Skywale luggage. Skywale is a revolutionary airline and TSA compliant smart luggage offering unique features to help you stay charged up, wheel smoother, and access essentials with ease. The shark wheels allow for easier maneuverability in airports, longer durability, and they have definitely a head turner. Tired of fumbling for your boarding pass or your laptop? Try this magnetic front pocket for easy access to all your travel essentials. Charge your phone as well. You roll through the airport with the secure charging dock. You also have dual USB port for those phones that don't have wireless charging capabilities. Sky Valley is fully airline and TSA compliant with your easily removable and portable battery pack. You'll have no problem at the gate. We have studied and learned from previous campaigns in order to introduce smart luggage you can actually travel with. Sky Valley offers the first luggage collection with a patent pending wireless phone charging dock that secures your phone in place while you're rolling through the airport. It features the latest QI technology and delivers up to 7.5 watts fast charging speeds to phones. If your phone doesn't have the ability to wirelessly charge, we have available a zero thin adapter which can be added to after the campaign that you can place on the back of your phone. It will even fit with the case on, and then any phone will have the ability to use the charging dock. Magic. Adaptable, versatile, everyday backpack. Magic, a performing art with a core of constantly changing, unpredictable, and surprising experiences for the audience. It is the art of doing wonders. Magic Bag is the name of magic. It's designed to radically change the functional and figurative limitations of a single backpack. This is a stylish and practical bag full of miraculous transformations created for everyone who doesn't want to be ordinary. It's not a sling backpack, but your daily essentials to carry the horse. It combines with versatile and practical and essential companion for carrying your daily necessities. It's designed around the workflows of photographers, creatives, travelers, and commuters. Metro cards, school settings, cash charges, and other frequently used gadgets you can easily open with two fingers from the outermost layer of your bag. Whether in the sling bag or backpack mode, can be used smoothly. There are more hidden pockets in the sides and back. You can put your valuable here as such as wallet, passports, phone, etc. You can grab your belongings without taking off your sling backpack. However, you don't always have time to open a flap. Unlike the other bags in the market, the Magic has a quick zip into the main compartment. The tripod, we got it covered. Pull the straps out of the bottom, cross them to leg of your tripod and hand over the flap. Simply detach the shoulder strap. You could use a Magic bag as a briefcase. Still, the handle of the luggage case can go through the handle of the bag like we've designed. U-Park Pro. U-Park Pro is a fresh new take on survival kits. It is a survival system meant to be used, not just sorted in your closet. Use it to get acquainted with the great outdoors by taking it camping or backpacking. With regular use, you will become familiar with the contents and tools, so when a disaster strikes, you will be ready. The U-Park Pro is stocked with over 200 survival and comfort items to sustain you. In fact, the company have built it to match the essential categories that are taught in a fundamental or disaster preparedness class. The items are water, food, clothing, shelter, communication and navigation, health and hygiene, tools and sustainability. The company have organized all the gear and supplies into a convenient and easy to use storage system to keep everything accessible and ready to go. Most survival kits give you a piece of tin foil to keep you warm. The U-Park Pro features the most advanced shelter and warmth solution in any survival system with an actual tent, compact sleeping bag, and sleeping pad. If you're in a pinch, the nut-free and non-GMO food rations will keep you energized. And if you're feeling little creative, the lightweight cooking kit has got you covered. Stay hydrated with emergency water, water filters, and an inline hydration bladder. The Ultima 22 Multi-Use Packable Backpack. Ultima 22 is the ultra-weight backpack designed to be your ultimate outdoor adventures and travels companion. An all-in-all backpack that provides over 10 plus unique features that can even be packed down to the size of a can of a soda. Now that's something. Solve the problems with traditional lightweight travel backpacks, making it comfortable to carry all day. Fully waterproof, fits a day's worth of gear, modular and back support, and much more. It's the modern, minimal, and multifunctional design for the lightweight traveler. It's the design for everyone. So whether you're coming to work or going into mountains, this backpack has your back. This makes for a great lightweight outdoor bag and is sure to carve a special place for itself in your travel arsenal. This portable backpack has 3 closure patterns to choose from. If you remove the hip pack, you can either roll down the top and zip or buckle it close. With the hip pack attached, the bag gets zipped up. Your essentials can be easily accessed from the hip pack. Many lightweight backpacks lack the rigidity and are not comfortable to carry. The Ultima 22 comes with a removable inflatable backpack which ensures you have comfortable back support at all times. The Ultima 22 is optimized for space and comes with a removable detachable pack which has 3 extra liters of space. The detachable hip pack can be used separately for runs, hikes and walks.